Hello everybody, it is Pixel, and today we are going to be trying out buttermilk pie. For that, we're going to need a cup and a half of sugar, 3 eggs, 6 tablespoons of butter, either a pre-made pie crust or one that you've prepared on your own time, a cup of buttermilk, about 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of nutmeg and a teaspoon of salt, and about a tablespoon of lemon juice for a little tang. This should be pretty fun, so let's go. In a large bowl, I'm going to start off with by whisking together my sugar, flour, salt, and nutmeg. Once that's thoroughly combined, I'll be adding in the eggs and the butter. After that's had time to combine, I will be adding in the buttermilk, vanilla extract, and lemon juice. And lastly, I will be pouring it into my 9x9 pie crust. Now I have the oven preheating to 350, and once it's ready, this will be going in for the next 45 to 55 minutes. Alright, our pie came out of the oven, still had that little jiggle to it, and now it's been setting for the last 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm going to go on and I've gone and sliced myself up a piece, got a spoon. Let's dig in and try this out. So this is amazing pie. It's a great custard feeling to it. I don't know if it's the buttermilk and the lemon combined, but there's a tartness to it that's, dare I say, almost a little much, but not, it's not a deal breaker. Maybe leave the lemon out. Either way, this is a really good custard pie. I love it. Almost reminds me of the time I made water pie, but it has a richer flavor to it. And my granddad tried some and said that it was delicious. So I guess some of the verdict of the house is it's a pretty awesome pie. I'd make it again for sure. And if you have any thoughts about it, like what you saw, don't like what you saw, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment about it, and I will see you in our next video.